many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am participating in a really fun challenge. This is called the 4th Friday Open Challenge, and this month's theme is Land That I Love, a great patriotic thing. It's hosted every month by Sarah from Juju B DIY and Lisa from Our Gray House. And this month's guest host is Corie from Crafted by Corie. All right, so I got 5 DIYs for you. These are all tiered tray DIYs. It's so cute. This first one, I'm using tumbling tower blocks. As you can see, I've got, it's going to be 3 rows of 3, and then 3 rows of 2, and then 3 columns, if you will, of 3. Just going to hot glue. I use Gorilla hot glue, and it tends to work just great for me. However, you know, wood glue and hot glue, whatever type of glue that you prefer is perfectly fine. So once I adhere all of these together, we're going to paint them before we put them together. Oh, and I got a little star from that cute little puzzle from Dollar Tree. It's a wooden puzzle, and it was perfect size star that I needed. All right, so we're going to be using this Tuscan red and then nautical, as well as white. I believe they're all from Folk Art. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the top 2, and we're going to paint that, the Tuscan red, and then skip one, the next one Tuscan red, skip one, the next one Tuscan red, so on and so forth. The second one will be in the white. So it's going to go red, white, red, white, red, white. I can't even say that fast. I think you know what we're making. We're making a cute little wooden American flag for your tiered tray. The 3 that I glued together that we're going to put vertically will represent the area of the flag, obviously, where you have the blue and the white stars. So we're going to paint that nautical, and then that wooden little star from the Dollar Tree puzzle, we're going to paint that white. Oh my gosh, you can see my phone. Guess what I'm watching? I'm obsessed, sorry, with the Johnny Depp trial. Anyway, sorry about that. But yeah, now we're just going to glue them all together. This was such a simple DIY, so fun to make, and I just think it's so cute. You could certainly make it bigger. I mean, all it is attaching Jenga blocks to the size that you want, you know? So it doesn't even have to be for tiered tray. And I really enjoyed making this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Okay, and because I'm going for rustic, of course I sanded it. I did take 2 more tumbling tower blocks and just made a little stand. There it is. I think it's so cute. I really hope you like it. Again, I wanted to mention also, for any of these DIYs, whatever country you are from in this amazing world that we live in, you can certainly use your colors for your country and your sayings and all that. So this is definitely inspiration. I decided to go rustic mostly with these, but you could make it where it's not rustic and use bright colors and whatever you prefer. So hopefully this just inspires you. This picture frame from Dollar Tree, I like that it's just a square picture frame. However, I ended up changing my mind on the color. Instead of white, I'm going to use nautical, and you'll see that here in a moment. I have these stars from one of my planner sticker books, and they're gold, but that's okay. I just painted them white, and they worked out really, really well. You can see I painted the frame in nautical, and now I'm going to take these white stars and stick them all over. And I actually put some of them like towards, how do I explain this? Hold on. Towards the middle where you kind of bend it to fit, form to fit. You'll see. Anyway, just sporadically, no rhyme or reason. Yeah. There, well, you'll see. I kind of move them around a little bit here and there. There, that's what I was talking about. Just kind of form-fitting them, whatever way. You could have them going off the edge, whatever is pleasing to your eye, for sure. And then remember the inside of this picture frame. Don't get rid of it. That glass piece, we are going to use that. And I was lucky enough to find these really cute, more farmhousey style, rustic style window clings at the Dollar Tree that are Patriotic. So we're going to use one of those, and we're going to put it on the glass. I didn't need to use any Mod Podge. It stuck just fine because it is, in fact, a window cling. So that worked out really well. And then we're not going to use the backing that I'm showing right now. I just was using this just to see the window or the glass so that I could evenly get that on there. There you go. And we're going to hot glue it to the back. We're not going to use the stand or anything. And then we're going to make a really fun messy bow with just different ribbons. And that's it. Oh, I do paint a button in the nautical color too to put in the middle of the messy bow. So simple, so cute. By the way, all of these DIYs are very quick, easy, and simple. And I think all put together, it's just so adorable.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
All right, we're moving on to DIY number 3. This one is so quick and easy and simple. I have the foam dice. I'm going to use 3 of them. I'm going to first paint one side in the nautical, and then I'm going to use stickers that spell out USA. Very simple. And then I'm going to paint all of it that rustic Tuscan red and pull the stickers off. That's it. You could do so much with this. You could do a red, white, and blue. Yeah, whatever, or whatever colors you want. You could do more than 3 instead of USA, spell out brave or free or whatever, freedom, Anyway, I want to take a moment and thank our host. Thank you so much for this collab. It's a lot of fun. And I also want to mention that I will have their channels listed below in my description box, as well as the playlist for all the amazing, talented creators that have joined us today. And I do have a favor. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button. It certainly helps my channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for that. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, I greatly appreciate your time. I greatly appreciate the fact that you are here. And I hope if you like what you see, that you will take a moment and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I am so grateful for you. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. Thank you for continuing to come back. and continuing to leave comments or watch or any of the above. I really appreciate it, and I'm very happy that you are back. Okay, see how simple this was? Now, these stickers were pretty thin, and when I took them off, they ripped off a little bit to where you could see the orange of the dice. However, easy fix. I just took a small brush and just filled it in. That was it. Look how easy that was. Super simple, just adorable. Great little filler, for your tiered tray. Moving right along to DIY number 4. This star I got for 99 cents at Michael's. They have quite a few wooden things like this that are 99 cents. So I personally think it's a better deal than the Dollar Tree in a lot of cases, just because it's actual wood and it's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Continuing. I am going to, it's kind of shiplap, right? Or that look. So I'm going to take white and I'm going to paint in the grooves. And then we're just going to do red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, all the way down, meaning the Tuscan red and the nautical. And we're going to distress it, and that was it. But it's adorable. And again, I think it's perfect for your tiered tray.
I just want to hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I want to take you there. Give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh,
Okay, moving on to DIY number 5, the last DIY. However, backing up to DIY number 4, the star. I said red, blue, red, blue. It was blue, red, but whatever works for you. All right, one of these little crates from the Dollar Tree. This is the one that is more grooves in there, not openings, obviously. And we're just going to make a imitation book stack. And in honor of the name of this collab, Land That I Love, I just decided to write that with my white paint marker. It's a Posca marker, which I really enjoy the Posca pens. If you're, ever looking for a good one, I would highly recommend these. All right, so I'm just going to write Land That I Love. I'm going to use some white yarn to kind of wrap around, and then I'm just going to make a cute little bow, and that is it. I don't think I put a button on the top of this one. No, I don't know. I can't remember. Oh, I put those stars. Those were from the same window cling that we used a couple DIYs ago for the frame. So yeah, same window cling. Now, since it's going on wood and not glass, I am Mod Podging them down. No big deal there. Very simple to do. And then of course, I decided to Mod Podge over everything anyway, just to seal this little thing up. I think this one turned out so cute. Now, I've got some books recently from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use like normal size to make another really cute book stack for Patriotic. By the way, there's at least 2 more challenges that I'm in that are Patriotic theme, and I'm really excited for those. One is June 1st, and the other one, I believe, is June 14th. So stay tuned for those. I'll have lots of more ideas. Bigger pieces, maybe a wreath. I haven't even done them yet. So maybe a wreath, maybe. I have a lot of ideas, okay? So stay tuned for that. I have a lemon DIY that I finished, DIY video. I just need to edit it. Let me just say, I made a lemon topiary. I think it turned out awesome, but I will tell you, I did not enjoy the process. So I would encourage you to watch that video, because they're very expensive, but if you make them yourself, obviously you save a lot of money. So I do encourage you to make one. but I have lots of tips for you, believe me, on what I learned. So that'll be a fun video too. I'm not exactly sure when that one will be up. I do still need to edit it. And like I said, I've got another Patriotic one coming out June 1st. Anyway, so here we are with the bow. I love this lace, this white cotton lace. Oh, it's so pretty. There's a name for that. I can't remember what that's called for that particular type. Anyway, I really, really hope that you let me know what you think, which one is your favorite, if you have a favorite. And would you make any of these, or did you get any inspiration? I really hope so. That's always my goal, obviously, is to provide as much inspiration as I can.
You master how to simplify. You turn rain into a blue sky. When the
Well, the time has come, my friends, to say goodbye for today. Here is the final reveal. I think they turned out so, so cute. Please do not forget to check out the host as well as the playlist. Again, I will have that information linked in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed my video and have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend if you're in the US, and anywhere else around this amazing world. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.